हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है आशुतोष पाठी एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स गाइड। आज का जो हमारा वीडियो है वो ट्रांजिस्टर के बारे में है, जो कि है एक बीजेटी। एंड इन दिस वीडियो लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द रीजन ऑफ ऑपरेशन फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर बीजेटी व्हिच इज गिवन इन ए सर्किट डायग्राम। ठीक है, अगर हमें एक सर्किट डायग्राम दिया हुआ रहेगा कुछ इसी तरीके का, then we can easily find out whether the transistor is operating in active mode or in saturation mode or in cut-off mode। तो हम हमारा मोटिव क्या है इस वीडियो में, we are going to find out the reason of operation for a particular BJT which is given in the circuit diagram। So put a heading, how to find out the reason of operation। Finding the reason of operation। This is our today's topic। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो to find out the reason of operation we have to follow certain steps, that means step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and finally we will conclude with the reason of operation। that means कौन से रीजन पे ऑपरेट कर रहा है वो हम फाइनल स्टेप में पता लगा सकते हैं। इसके लिए हमें चारों स्टेप्स को फॉलो करना है, तो उसको हम स्टेप वाइज लिख लेते हैं। ठीक है, तो इसलिए पहला स्टेप, स्टेप 1। in this step is known as assumption। this step is known as assumption। that means in this step we have to assume something। that means let's assume the given BJT is operating in saturation mode। हम खुद ब खुद मान लिए हैं कि ये जो given BJT है ये saturation मोड पे काम कर रहा है। ठीक है, तो प्लीज राइट लेट्स assume the BJT is in saturation mode। saturation, इसको मैं ऐसे लिखूंगा saturation मोड। आप पूरा लिखिए सैचुरेशन मोड। अगर एक बीजेटी सैचुरेशन मोड पे काम करेगा तो मुझे बताइए ये जो बेस टू एमिटर वोल्टेज VB रहता है इसका वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए। देखिए, अगर जनरली इन एक्टिव मोड द VB वैल्यू शुड बी इक्वल टू 0.7 वोल्ट, 0.7 वोल्ट। लेकिन वी हैव assumed that the BJT is now working in saturation mode। that means it can't be equal to 0.7 volt। that's why the VB value, that is base to emitter voltage value, will be now equal to VB sat base to emitter saturation voltage will be equal to 0.8 volt for silicon। if the BJT is made up of silicon, then VB sat value should be equal to 0.8 volt। and if it is made up of germanium, then the value should be 0.3 volt। we have to memorize these two values। इसी केस में क्या होगा, अगर सैचुरेशन मोड पे ऑपरेट कर रहा है, ये जो आउटपुट साइड का जो वोल्टेज है दैट इज VCE, दिस वोल्टेज नाउ शुड बी इक्वल टू VCE should be equal to VCE sat should be equal to 0.2 volt for silicon। and if it is germanium, then this value should be equal to 0.1 volt। if the BJT is made up of from germanium semiconductor, then VCE sat should be 0.1 volt। ठीक है, ये है हमारा पहला स्टेप। ये आप लिख लीजिए या एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए ताकि मैं इसको इरेज कर सकूं। तो पहले स्टेप में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वी हैव टू assume that the transistor is operating in saturation mode, and if the transistor is operating in saturation mode, then VBE should be equal to VBE sat whose value is equal to 0.8 volt instead of 0.7 volt। and VCE should also be equal to VCE sat whose value is equal to 0.2 volt। So this is about all about step 1. In step 2, we have to calculate some of the current values. So please write down. Step 2, calculate the base current IB and IC independently. इसका मतलब यह है कि जनरली हम क्या करते हैं, अगर हमें एक सर्किट डायग्राम गिवन होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, जनरली वी आर टेकिंग द KVL around the input loop to find out the value of IB. Then what we are doing, we are calculating IC by using the formula IC equal to beta I. But this procedure is valid if the BJT is operating in active mode. But in this case, we are assuming that the transistor is operating in saturation mode. That means this procedure is invalid. So we have to follow the KVL only. By applying KVL both in input side as well as output side, we can calculate the value of IB and IC respectively. So please note that we can't use the formula IC equal to beta I. We have to apply KVL only. So please write down here in bracket, apply KVL only. Right? KVL only. And now we are going to step 3. In this step, we have to calculate IB minimum. That is, calculate the minimum value of IB which will force the BJT to operate in saturation mode. So IB minimum is nothing but the value of the minimum value of IB which will force the BJT to operate in saturation mode. So mathematically, how to find out IB minimum? IB minimum formula is that IB minimum should be equal to IC sat divided by beta. This is the equation for IB minimum. Here IC sat is nothing but value of IC which was found out in step 2. In step 2, we have already calculated the value of IB and IC, and that IC is known as the IC sat, because we are assuming that the BJT is in saturation mode, so IC is equal to IC sat. Okay. Then step 4. Please write down. Step 4. In this step, we have to compare between two values, and the values are IB and IB minimum. IB minimum we have found out in step 3, and IB we have already found out in step 2. We have to compare both these two values, and we have to conclude with some conclusion. Okay. So step 4 is compare IB and IB minimum, and the conditions are the first condition is that if IB is greater than equal to IB minimum, then the BJT is in saturation mode. Right? Are you getting me? If IB is greater than equal to IB minimum, then the BJT is in saturation mode. And the second condition is that if IB is less than IB minimum, then the BJT is in active mode. Active mode. Right? If this condition satisfied, then we can conclude that the BJT is in active mode. Okay. Then moving on to third condition, if IB is equal to negative, IB का value अगर negative आ जाता है, then we can easily conclude that the transistor is in operating in cut-off mode. That means if this condition satisfied, then the BJT is in cut-off. Okay. And all these conditions are applicable for NPN transistor. NPN transistor. Okay. NPN transistor. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में पीएनपी ट्रांजिस्टर दिया हुआ रहेगा तो आपको क्या करना है? बस आपको क्या करना है कि बस ये जो IB मिनिमम वैल्यू है ना, इसका मोड ले जाना है. ठीक है, you have to take the mod. Rest of the conditions are set. And in this final condition, if IB is equal to positive, then the BJT is in cut-off. Okay. So these are the conditions for PNP transistor. Okay. These are the conditions for PNP transistor. Very similar conditions for NPN and as well as the PNP. All the conditions are very similar. Just we have to take the mode of IB minimum, and in the final conclusion, final condition, we have to check whether the IB is equal to positive. If it is positive, then the BJT is in cut-off mode. ठीक है, ये सारे के सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो करके हमें फाइंड आउट करना है क्या IB minimum, so that we can compare with it IB and finally we can conclude with our answer. ठीक है, अगर हम ये सारे के सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो करते हैं तो इजीली वी कैन फाइंड आउट whether the transistor is operating either in cut-off or saturation or active mode. So these are all about today's video. In our upcoming videos, that is in our next video, we will solve two to three numerical problem, and in that problem we are going to find out the reason of operation for the particular BJT. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो कृपया आपके दोस्तों के अंदर ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, and please subscribe to my channel. And we will meet in our next video. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.